Hello, welcome. Let us understand computer vision and role of transformers in computer vision. Let us understand what exactly is a computer vision. We, the human beings, use eyes and brains to see the image, to understand the image, to classify the image, and even to create or draw an image, right? Similarly, computer vision is a field of AI that deals with how computers can see, understand, and create images or videos, just like humans use their eyes and brains. The computer vision deals with computer seeing, understanding, and creating images or videos. In the earlier lecture, we have understood that CNN, convolutional neural network, is used for image classification, such as face detection, object recognition, and diagnosis using medical images such as X-ray scan. CNN is used for detection, but transformers can be used for image detection as well as creation. And there is also an advanced version where transformers are used along with the diffusion to create a even better quality image. The CNN is like a microscope. It looks into the image and helps to classify the image. Whereas transformers used for image recognition as well as image creation. In the transformers, there are systems which use only transformers. Also, there are systems that use transformers along with diffusion. They help in creating a better quality image. Here, you can see the transformer only systems create an image faster, but image quality will be lower. But transformers combined with diffusion, they create images little bit slower, but they produce a higher quality images. Let us look at some of the real world example where computer vision is used. Here, this is the Google Lens. If you just open the Google and click on this particular camera icon and search by image, and you can upload some image here. For example, I will upload the image of the dog and it will search the dogs here. It will provide images of dogs. Here, it is a transformer based system. They are using only transformer here based on the information available on the internet. It is using a transformer based system for image recognition. This is image recognition. And there is one more system here. You can see they are giving a prompt here and you need to pay here. It is a pricing is available for using this system, replicate.com. Here also they are using transformers, and using the prompt you can generate the image here. If you want to explore, probably you can explore this, but it is a paid version. You can run the prompt and you can generate the image. And here one more AI, deepai.org. Here, for example, I have given image, like let us say I will type it as dog and click on generate. It is generated the image of a dog, right? Here also they are using a transformers. And this one, DALL-E 3, the latest version of DALL-E, this is a tool provided by OpenAI. They are using here transformer plus diffusion. And let us say I will say dog running. You can type here and it will open the OpenAI's ChatGPT. It is integrated with that. It is DALL-E 3. You can see here. So it should create an image. See, it has created the dog running image. So this is a DALL-E. It is producing bit higher quality image. It is using a transformer plus diffusion. This is also example of a computer vision. And there is also one more tool that Midjourney. This is a paid tool. For example, this is the prompt they have given: aerial shot of G-Wagon driving through sandy desert, cinematic detail, ultra realistic S-log LUT color grading, hyper realistic dramatic lightning, background is full of focus. So this is the prompt they have given here. So based on this prompt, it's generated this image. So if you want to create here, you need to pay, because it is a paid tool. These various plans are available here. So this is also one of the example of computer vision. Here they are using transformer along with diffusion. In the transformer plus diffusion model, transformer job is to text understanding and conditioning. The transformers process the text and convert it into a form that diffusion model can use to guide the image generation. Diffusion generates the image from the noise. Similarly, there are various different types of tool available for image and text generation, video generation. We will look into those tools in the later part of the course. Thank you for watching.